ಮುಂದಿನ ಕಾರ್ಯಕ್ರಮವನ್ನು ನಡೆಸಿಕೊಡುವವರು ವಿದ್ವಾನ್ ಸುಜಯ್ ಶಾನ್ಭಾಗ್. ಇವರ ಕಿರು ಪರಿಚಯವನ್ನು ಕುಮಾರಿ ತನುಶ್ರೀ ದೀಪಂ ಮಾಡಲಿದ್ದಾರೆ.
Good evening everyone. Today it's my pleasure to introduce Vidwan Sujay to all. Vidwan Sujay Shanbag has been sincere and studious student of Bharatanatyam since his age of 6. By dint of diligence and dedication, he has completed junior exam in Carnatic Vocal, Mridangam and Vidvat in Bharatanatyam with high score. His Rangapravesham in Bharatanatyam was held in Jagan Mohan Palace, Mysore. He had his Rangapravesham in folk art Yakshagana in Mysuru again. He is proficient in photography, makeup, fashion designing, theatre, etc. He got Best Actor award for his role in the Konkani film Antu in the International Film Festival. He is the recipient of prestigious CCRT scholarship from Central Ministry of Culture. He has received National Bal Shri Award from National Bal Bhavan, Delhi. He has received award from far and wide, like Natya Harsha, Natya Kaumudi. He is a Doordarshan B-grade artist. Academically, he has completed post-graduation in performing art from Bangalore University with a superlative performance and secured a gold medal. He conducts a series of lectures on Natya Shastra. The show has completed 50 shows. He is the managing trustee of a non-profit organization named Kala Sujaya, which promotes classical art in Hubballi and nearby small towns like Lakshmeshwar. The trust runs 6 festivals as seasons of dance named Kala Grishma, Kala Varsha, Kala Vasanta. India, Bharata Muni Namana is held to pay tribute to Bharata Muni. A national dance festival, Nritya Sundara Vasundara, is held and very senior artists stage their performance. Thank you.
ಶ್ರೀ ಗುರುಭ್ಯೋ ನಮಃ. ನಡೆದಿರುವಂತಹ ಎಲ್ಲ ಗುರು ಹಿರಿಯರಿಗೆ ಮತ್ತು ಕಲಾ ರಸಿಕರಿಗೆ ವಂದಿಸುತ್ತಾ ನನ್ನ ಗುರುಗಳಾದಂತಹ ಡಾಕ್ಟರ್ ವಸುಂಧರಾ ದೊರೆಸ್ವಾಮಿ ಮತ್ತು ಗುರು ಡಾಕ್ಟರ್ ವೀಣಾಮೂರ್ತಿ ವಿಜಯ್ ಹಾಗೂ ಡಾಕ್ಟರ್ ಪದ್ಮಾ ಸುಬ್ರಹ್ಮಣ್ಯಂ ರವರಿಗೆ ನಮಿಸುತ್ತಾ, ಇಂದು ಮೊದಲಿಗೆ ಆದಿಶಂಕರಾಚಾರ್ಯರು ರಚಿಸಿರುವಂತಹ ಅರ್ಧನಾರೀಶ್ವರ ಶ್ಲೋಕವನ್ನು ಪ್ರದರ್ಶಿಸ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೇನೆ. ಆ ತಾಂಡವ ಮತ್ತು ಲಾಸ್ಯದ ಸಮನ್ವಯ ಮತ್ತು ಸೃಷ್ಟಿ ಮತ್ತು ಸ್ಥಿತಿಲಯಗಳ ಆದ್ಯ ರೂಪ ಆ ಶಿವ ಹಾಗೂ ಶಿವೆಯ ನಾನಾ ವಿಧದ ಅಲಂಕಾರಿಕ ವಸ್ತುಗಳನ್ನು ಮನಸ್ಸಿನಲ್ಲಿ ಇರಿಸಿಕೊಂಡು ಆದಿಶಂಕರಾಚಾರ್ಯರು ರಚಿಸಿರುವಂತಹ ಈ ಅರ್ಧನಾರೀಶ್ವರ ಸ್ತೋತ್ರದ ಸಂಗೀತವನ್ನು ಪಾರ್ಶ್ವನಾಥ್ ಉಪಾಧ್ಯಾಯರವರು ನೀಡಿರುತ್ತಾರೆ. ಇದೀಗ ಅರ್ಧನಾರೀಶ್ವರ ಸ್ತೋತ್ರ.
कर्पूर गौरार्ध धिमिल्लकायै च जटाधराय नमः शिवायै च नमः शिवाय। कस्तूरिका कुंकुम चर्चितायै चित रजपुंज विचर्चितायै कृतस्मरायै विकृतस्मराय नमः शिवाय च नमः शिवाय नमः शिवाय च नमः शिवाय। ॐ नमः शिवाय। चलत क्वणत कंकण नूपुरायै अम्बा चलत क्वणत कंकण नूपुरायै पादाब्ज रजत फणि नूपुराय नटराज पादाब्ज रजत फणि नूपुराय हे मांगदायै हे मांगदायै भुजगांगधाय नमः शिवाय च नमः शिवाय। मंदारमाला कलितल्लकायै कपालमालांकित कंधराय मंदारमाला कलितल्लकायै कपालमालांकित कंधराय दिव्याम्बरा दिगंबराय दिगंबराय नमः शिवाय च नमः शिवाय नमः शिवाय च नमः शिवाय प्रपंच सृष्टिस्थव लास्यकाये समस्त संहारक तांडवाय जगज्जननियै च जगदेकपित्रे जगज्जननियै च जगदेकपित्रे नमः शिवाय च नमः शिवाय प्रदीप्त रत्नोज्ज्वल कुंडा स्फुरं महापल्लगभूषणाय शिवान्विताय च शिवान्विताय नमः शिवाय च नमः शिवाय नमः शिवाय नमः शिवाय ॐ नमो अर्धनारीश्वराय
ಮುಂದಿನ ಪ್ರಸ್ತುತಿ ತ್ಯಾಗರಾಜರ ಒಂದು ಪ್ರಖ್ಯಾತ ಕೃತಿಗಳಲ್ಲಿ ಒಂದಾದಂತಹ ಶಬರಿಯ ಮೇಲೆ ರಚಿಸಿರುವಂತಹ ಕೃತಿ. ಆಕೆಯ ಭಾಗ್ಯವೋ ಆ ರಾಮನದು ತಿಳಿಯನೆ. ಆತ ವನವಾಸಕ್ಕೆಂದು ಹೊರಟಾಗ ಈ ಮುಗ್ಧ ಭಕ್ತೆಯ ದರ್ಶನವಾಗುತ್ತೆ. ತನ್ನ ಜೀವನವನ್ನೇ ಆ ರಾಮನಿಗಾಗಿ ಮುಡಿಪಾಗಿಟ್ಟಂತಹ ಶಬರಿಯನ್ನು ಸಾಮಾನ್ಯವಾಗಿ ನಾವು ವೃದ್ಧಾಪ್ಯದಲ್ಲಿ ಕಾಣ್ತೇವೆ. ಆದರೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಆಕೆಯ ಜೀವನದ 3 ಅವಸ್ಥೆಗಳನ್ನು ವರ್ಣಿಸಲಾಗುತ್ತೆ: ಬಾಲ್ಯ, ಮಧ್ಯಮ ಮತ್ತು ವೃದ್ಧಾಪ್ಯ. ರಾಗ ಮುಖಾರಿ, ತಾಳ ರೂಪಕದಲ್ಲಿ ಮೂಡಿಬರಲಿದೆ ಎಂತ ನಿನ್ನೆ ವರ್ಣಿಂತುಲು ಶಬರಿ.
కనులార సేవించి కనులార సేవించి కనులార సేవించి కనులార సేవించి కనులార సేవించి కనులార సేవించి కమ్మని ఫల ములను సగి 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 తనువు పులకరించి తనువు పులకరించి పాదయోగములను తనువు పులకరించి పాదయోగములను ఇన కులపతి సుముఖంబున 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 పునరావృత్తిరహిత పదమును గొల్దిన పునరావృత్తిరహిత పదమును గొల్దిన పునరావృత్తిరహిత పదమును గొల్దిన పునరావృత్తిరహిత పదమును గొల్దిన త్యాగరాజను తోరాలి త్యాగరాజను తోరాలి ఎంత నిన్నే వర్ణింతును శబరి భాగ్యమంత నిన్నే వర్ణింతును శబరి దాంతుల వరకాంతలు జగమంతనియుడగ దాంతుల వరకాంతలు జగమంతనియుడగ ఎంత నిన్నే వర్ణింతును శబరి భాగ్యమంత నిన్నే వర్ణింతును శబరి భాగ్యం ఎంత నిన్నే వర్ణింతును శబరి భాగ్యం ఎంత నిన్నే వర్ణింతును ఎంత నిన్నే వర్ణింతును ಶಬರಿ
Thank you, Sujay Shanbag, for such a touching performance at the end of the festival. It was a grand success with all these 6 gems of our state coming over here to Tumkur for an offline and an online show on Facebook. I thank Sujay Shanbag for accepting the invitation and performing here with such a grace. I request Shri Subramaniam ji to please come over the dais and do the honors. Entati bhagyamu, what a line it is, and I think that's something we should end our day also today with. Thank you so much for that Kriti selection. It was really nice and something to take back for all of us, that we were all able to watch this wonderful festival and look at these young artists performing so brilliantly and contributing to the field of art. Thank you. Meanwhile, I request all the students of Sri Sai Raman Nritya Kendra Tumkuru to please come on the dais. So we bid thanks to everybody.
ನಿಮ್ಮಿಂದ ವಿದಾಯವನ್ನು ಪಡೆಯುವ ಮುನ್ನ ಒಂದು ಕಾರ್ಯಕ್ರಮ ಆಯೋಜನೆ ಮಾಡೋದು ಸುಲಭದ ಕೆಲಸ ಅಲ್ಲ. ಅದೂ ಒಂದು ಪುಟ್ಟ ನಗರದಲ್ಲಿ ಅಥವಾ ಅಂದರೆ ನಮ್ಮ ಕಲ್ಚರಲ್ ಹಬ್ ಅಥವಾ ನಮ್ಮ ಜಾಗತೀಕರಣ ಹೆಚ್ಚಾಗಿರುವಂತಹ ಸಿಟಿಗಳಲ್ಲಂತೂ ಪ್ರೋಗ್ರಾಮ್ಸ್ ಅಂದರೆ ಕಾಮನ್ ಆಗಿದೆ. ಆದರೆ ಇಂತಹ ನಗರಿಯಲ್ಲಿ ಕಲೆಯನ್ನು ಕಲಿಸುವುದರ ಒಟ್ಟಿಗೆ ಕಲೆಯ ಒಂದು ಸಾರವನ್ನು ನೋಡುಗರಿಗೆ ಮತ್ತು ನಿರತವಾಗಿ ಕಲಿಯುತ್ತಿರುವಂತಹ ವಿದ್ಯಾರ್ಥಿಗಳಿಗೆ ಒಂದು ಅವಕಾಶವನ್ನು ಕಲ್ಪಿಸೋದಿದೆಯಲ್ಲ, ಅದೊಂದು ದೊಡ್ಡ ಮಹತ್ವದ ಕೆಲಸ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತೀನಿ. ಯಾಕಂದರೆ ವರ್ಷದಲ್ಲಿ 6 ಫೆಸ್ಟಿವಲ್ ಮಾಡೋಷ್ಟೊತ್ತಿಗೆ ನನಗೆ ಬೆನ್ಬಿದ್ದು ಹೋಗುತ್ತೆ. ಬಿಕಾಸ್ ಪರ್ಫಾರ್ಮರ್ ಆಗಿ ಇದ್ಕೊಂಡು ಒಂದು ಸ್ಟೇಜ್ ಕ್ರಿಯೇಟ್ ಮಾಡೋದಾಗಿರ್ಬೋದು, ಇಟ್ ಬಿಕಮ್ಸ್ ಅ ಬಿಗ್ ಟಾಸ್ಕ್. ಅಂಥದ್ದನ್ನು ಈ ಒಂದು ಕಮ್ಬ್ಯಾಕಲ್ಲಿ ಅಂದರೆ ಕೊರೋನಾ ಇಂದ ನಾವೆಲ್ಲರೂ ಮನೆ ಮಟ್ಟಿಗೆ ಆನ್ಲೈನ್ ಪ್ರೋಗ್ರಾಮಲ್ಲಿ ಇದ್ದಾಗ ನಮಗೆಲ್ಲರಿಗೂ ಬೇಸತ್ತು ಹೋಗಿತ್ತು. ಆದರೆ ಈಗ ವೇದಿಕೆಯಲ್ಲಿ ಮತ್ತೆ ನಮಗೊಂದು ಹೊಸ ಚಿಲುಮೆಯನ್ನು ಕಲ್ಪಿಸಿಕೊಟ್ಟಂತಹ ಸಾಗರಣ್ಣರವ್ರಿಗೂ ಮತ್ತು ರಾಮನ್ ನೃತ್ಯ ಸಂಸ್ಥೆಯ ಎಲ್ಲ ಪದಾಧಿಕಾರಿಗಳಿಗೂ ನಾನು ಧನ್ಯವಾದಗಳನ್ನ ಹೇಳ್ತಾ, ಮತ್ತಷ್ಟು ಮಗದಷ್ಟು ಜನರನ್ನು ಕರೆತನ್ನಿ ನಮ್ಮ ಕಲೆಯನ್ನು ಮತ್ತಿತರರಿಗೆ ಅದರ ಕಂಪನ್ನು ಪಸರಿಸಿ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತಾ ನಿಮ್ಮಿಂದ ವಿದಾಯವನ್ನು ಪಡ್ತೇನೆ. ಧನ್ಯವಾದಗಳು.
Joining hands with all my teammates, I thank all of you for watching online and offline in such large numbers and blessing Sri Sai Raman Nritya Kendra's new venture of Nritya Kalpa, an online and an offline dance festival, youth dance festival. We will be back soon next month with our next venture, which is another big bonanza for the city of Tumkur, the usual one, Bharata Muni Jayanti, which will be coming up in the month of February, where all of us are going to perform along with renowned artists coming on board with us. And we really thank Sri Sampath sir of Temple Sounds Bengaluru for giving this wonderful first live performance post-corona season, and thank you so much. We thank you Babu sir of Kannada Bhavana for arranging us all whatever we need about light and sounds. We thank Shri Arun and Mrs. Arun for arranging very sumptuous lunch and dinner for all the artists and all the audience present here. And thanking everyone, all the guests, all the performers, and all the team of volunteers. We bid you thanks and good night on behalf of Sri Sai Raman Nritya Kendra, and we'll be back soon with a bigger bonanza. Thank you. Namaskara.